Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. After understanding the mega projects coming up in the mesmerizing states of West Bengal, Assam and Kerala, as promised, we have reached the shores of Tamil Nadu. Therefore, in this video we will explore about the plethora of infra projects planned up by the administration to stitch the beautiful fabric of development in the southern state of India. Before that, if you're new to this channel, I would request you to please like and share the video and subscribe to the channel. Now, moving on, at first, let us understand the geographical, social, and cultural ethos of the industrialized state of Tamil Nadu. Located at the southern tip of India, Tamil Nadu is an enchanting place that is sure to leave you spellbound with its magnificent architecture, rich culture, and exotic places. Be it the beautiful beaches, majestic temples, or magnificent rock cut architecture, you will find everything in Tamil Nadu to mesmerize you and make your travel a memorable one. Blessed by nature and nestled beautifully in the Indian peninsula between the Bay of Bengal and the Indian Ocean, Tamil Nadu has a lot to offer to its tourists. A perfect blend of rich traditional culture and cosmopolitan lifestyle, Chennai is a major tourist attraction in Tamil Nadu and a place to be. Marina Beach with its silver sands is a perfect place to stroll around and get the tranquil feel. Now that we have understood the various other aspects of the state of Tamil Nadu, let us explore the top 5 mega projects lined up to further the economic growth of an already economically strong region. To make it more interesting, we will move in the descending order depending on the nature of project. So fifth up in the list is the Aerospace and Defence Park coming up at the Sri Perumbudur district, which is situated near the capital city Chennai. The Aerospace and Defence Park is being developed to create an integrated economic system for aerospace and defence industry development, covering design, engineering, manufacturing, servicing, and maintenance of aircraft for civil and defence sector in Tamil Nadu. An area of around 260 acres of land has been earmarked in Vallam Vadagal Village Industrial Park for the development of Aerospace Park. The target is to position around 50 aerospace companies in Chennai Aerospace Park. Tamil Nadu Industrial Development Corporation Limited, that is TIDCO, is playing a pivotal role in the setup of the aerospace components manufacturing park. It is estimated that the park will take up 4,000 acres of land and create more than 1 lakh jobs. The construction work is expected to be completed by June 2022. With this, we move to the fourth biggest mega project. It is the Chennai Metro Phase 2 project coming up in the capital city. Chennai Metro, the third longest metro network in the country, serves Chennai, the capital city of Tamil Nadu. It is owned and operated by Chennai Metro Rail Limited, which is a joint undertaking of the central government and the Tamil Nadu state government. Phase 2 expansion covers the length of 118.9 km network with 128 stations. The estimated cost of the project is 63,246 crore. Talking about the latest updates regarding this project, the officials of Chennai Metro Rail Limited said that the 1,147 crore contract has been awarded to the Hindustan Construction Company and KEC International Limited last month to build the stretch, which covers a distance of 7.9 km. Notably, the Chennai Metro Phase 2 will be built entirely as an elevated stretch across the heart of Chennai. The project will be completed by the end of 2026. Moving on to the third biggest mega projects, which is set to become the USP of the state as well as national economy. Giving an unprecedented boost to the financial sector, this project will change the landscape of businesses in India. It is called as the Market of India. Market of India is a first of its kind organized wholesale center in Chennai, which is designed to build a self-sustained community of traders. Talking about its location, it is in SPR city. This wholesale center will bring all traders under one roof and is projected to grow into an iconic business destination, rivaling some of the biggest trade centers in China. Comprising of 9 markets that offer world-class features and amenities, right from truck terminals, LCV parking, and spacious trade corridors to advanced security features, Market of India is all set to revolutionize traditional markets and reinvent trade in the country. The project is set to be decommissioned by the mid of 2022. The third in this high profile list is the Defence Corridor, which is being constructed between Coimbatore and Chennai. Defence Corridor will be comprising of 5 nodes, namely at Chennai, Tiruchinappalli, Coimbatore, Salem and Hosur, as was announced by the Government of India and was inaugurated in the year 2019. This corridor will create new defence production facilities and promote clusters with necessary testing and certification facilities, export facilitation centres, technology transfer facilitation as well. Tamil Nadu Defence Industrial Corridor is being set up by the Government of India with cooperation from the state government too. TIDCO, the responsible body, has signed MOUs with IIT Madras and DRDO as knowledge partners for the project. IIT Madras will act as knowledge partner for setting up common testing facilities, common infrastructure, common certification center and training facilities. DRDO will act as knowledge partner for sharing of ideas, resources and expertise for the development of the defence corridor. The state, having the second longest coastline in India with 3 major ports and 23 minor ports, has the potential to attract huge investment in defence sector. Moreover, Tamil Nadu has 4 international airports and 2 domestic airports. A clutch of defence public sector undertakings and private defence products manufacturers have pledged investment worth Rs 3,100 crore in the 5 nodal cities. Hence, the corridor is under the implementation stage and it has the potential to give jobs to 1 lakh local workers directly and indirectly. The second in this heavyweight list is the DLF Downtown IT Corridor. DLF Downtown is poised to be the new epicenter of Chennai's IT corridor. This expansive 27-acre space will have 6.8 million square feet of workspace along with amenities for a perfect work-life balance. DLF Downtown will be a modern workspace with world-class amenities, making it a perfect confluence of productivity and collaboration. The IT complex with all modern facilities would come up on 27 acres of land in Taramani at an investment of Rs 5,000 crore. The project is expected to provide direct employment for 70,000 people. The phase 1 will see the construction of 2.5 million square feet office space. The mega IT project may be grounded completely by the end of 2021. Taking the first rank is the FinTech City coming up in the urbanized city Chennai. In lines with the GIFT City, which is being developed in Dholera, that is in Gujarat, Tamil Nadu FinTech City is espousing to host millions of IT employees and financial companies. A new FinTech policy has been rolled out which will enable Chennai to develop as a global hub for FinTech enterprises. TIDCO is developing a FinTech city spanning 260 acres at Kavanur near the state capital to attract domestic and overseas financial institutions and FinTech companies, in a bid to invite foreign direct investment in the state to add fuel to the economy. A total of 101 MOUs were signed with an investment commitment of Rs 88,727 crore and employment potential of 1 lakh people. The policy incentivizes location of industries in the southern districts and other less industrialized areas of the state. Apart from these 5 mega projects decked up to script glorious chapters in the history of the Indian economic growth, developmental works like Chennai-Bangalore Industrial Corridor, Sri Perumbudur Airport, Chennai-Maduri Mega Transport Hub, Madurai AIIMS, Chennai-Mysore High Speed Rail Line, and many more developmental works are in the lineup. With this, we come to the end of the video, and so I will request you once again to please hit the subscribe button and share the video and be a part of the developmental story being essayed by the administration. Signing off with a promise that the next video will cover the infra and developmental works being planned in the state of Goa. Thank you for watching this video.